It's a random short vlog. Just look at my Bible. Hey beautiful people out there, welcome and welcome back to my channel. And someone who is new to this channel is most welcome. This is Ria Afar. In this vlog, I will read for you people merely my favorite Bible verse. Matthew chapter 6 verse 25. Therefore, I say to you, do not worry about your life, what you will eat or what you will drink, nor about your body, what you will put on. Is not life more than food and the body more than clothing? In the presence of God, I feel so rejoiced. Hey everybody, thank you for watching.